and I moist the hair, like put a little bit of water, and I think my hair is done, guys. So like, I'm really so loving this hair because I mean everything about it is properly. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anna Renee. I'm back with another video. On today's video, guys, it's all about this hair that you're seeing that I'm carrying on, like that I'm rocking. You know, I put on this frizz hair today. You know, I sewed it on my hair. I got some 3 weeks old braids that I did on my hair to put it on my wig, so I just decided to put on this, you know, this kinky hair, and I think it's kinky, Brazilian kinky hair. I bought it long ago, so I can't remember the name, but I think it's something like Kiki Kelly hair, I think so. So for all those who are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, it's a sew down, it's not a wig, it's a sew down. All those who are interested in seeing how I achieve the look, please just keep watching. And please, if you are a new viewer that you're viewing and you have not subscribed on my channel, girl, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button from down below here. It's right down here. Please hit the button and turn on your post notification bell on, so whenever I upload a video, you will definitely be the first person to get it. And so guys, do not forget to give the video a thumbs up, even if you like it or not. Please give the video a thumbs up. I need a thumbs up from you that's watching right there, okay? And for the new subscriber, thank you guys so much for tuning into the Anora's World, the OG squad. You know, welcome to the OG squad. So without further ado, guys, so guys, in doing the hair, what you've been needing your bundles. Like I got these bundles. I just washed the bundles, so I got 3 bundles of these that I'll be using in creating, and I'll be doing it with this my old cornrow. I did this cornrow, I think I did this cornrow 3 weeks ago, so I'll just be sewing it on it. And what you'll be needing a thread, and you'll be needing some needles, you know, the needles to help you sew down the hair, and scissors. And I will put in this cap on my hair to protect my hair, like to secure. So this is how the net comes out. It comes out with a hole at the top, so you should hold it and tie it up. You make sure you put it from inside. It should be inside. So this is what you get. And I just go in now and I put it on my hair. So this is how it should be looking like. Then now you will go in with your sewing. So you just sew the hair all around and make your way through. So when you get here, you flip the hair over. What I'm going in for, I'm going in with the middle pattern. So I'll just bring it right up to here. And I flip the hair over. So you do the same thing with this braids. If you get here, just go ahead and still flip the hair over. So we just continue doing our sewing. So as you're working with the middle part, so you need to like make sure the both sides are equally full. Like the lines you put on this side is the same line you have to. The same line you put on this side, the same line that have to go on this other side, so the hair will be equal. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So if you put in 5 lines on this side, you should make sure this side also have 5 lines of the wig. If you see me looking on this side, you should know I'm on the mirror. Okay, I know the lens is right this way, but I cannot be looking at the lens. I'm using my phone, so I'm using the mirror now to like figure out what I'm doing right here. Okay, so just partner with me, just watch and see what I'm doing. So now when you're here, just take a look at it. You can see how I made the sewing. So now when you're here, you're at the last, like at the last part of the line, like the last line. So what you do is, as you can see, the first braid, it's right here, and we got the second one right at the part at the back. Why I did it is because I want it to be a little bit flat from the front part and a little bit higher from here. So you take it this way, you bring it this way, and you take your thread and you need it. As in, we're about to close the line. So now you go in now with the second. You can see the second braid. The second waist is here. So you link the two now together. As in, you put a needle in the two, in the both. So this is how it should be looking like when you do the. So this is how it should be looking like when you're doing it. So now you do it until you get at the extreme edge of the line. So when you're here, you just need to put your finger from here and you turn the hair, and you make sure you pull your thread to help you give you this little knot that you can see right here. Okay, so now you just go in now and you do the other side. So now guys, to creating that perfect line, you just go ahead and place this wave on the previous one you sewed. You just place it on it and you sew directly on it, like directly on it. Just watch. Make sure you grab the both. So now when you're done, you just go ahead and cut off the leftover hair. And when you cut it, make sure you go ahead and secure the seam before. When you're done with that, you just cut it off. And now, time of truth. So now just guys, go in now and open up the line. I mean guys, when you sew this hair and this method that I showed you, before you will open up the line, you will have to be a little bit of struggle. As you can see, this is the line that I created. You can't really figure it out because it's well closed and well sealed. So look at it. So when I'm done with that, I'll just go in now and I moist the hair, like put a little bit of water on the hair. So I'll just go in with this water now and put this kinky hair is very nice when you put a huge amount of water on it. The kinky hair, it will give you all the curls that you want, especially when it's all like mine. Mine, this one I've used it, I think this is the third time. Yeah, this is the third time I'm using the hair, so it's a little bit quite old. When it's all like this, you put water there, you will see the curls start popping up, as you can see. So just go in now and moist the hair off camera, and I will be right back. So yeah guys, I'm done with the hair, I'm done with everything, and this is how the hair turned out. So we'll just go in now and I comb the hair. All about the video for today. So if you like the video, please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. So guys, I'm really so loving this hair, you know, I'm really so loving this my new look. It's so nice, and the way it's so simple. As you can see, this is the middle parting, and I think my hair is done, guys. This is the... So guys, I'm really so loving this hair, the curls, I mean everything about this hair, it's popping up, you know. So that's it. So guys, I'm done with the hair. This is how the hair turned out. I hope you like the video, and if you do, please do not forget to give the video a huge thumbs up and comment down below on how you think about the hair, how it really looks on me, if I should rock the hair for at least a week before taking it down, or I should take it down tomorrow. So guys, sorry for the dotted mark that you're seeing on my t-shirt. It's from the water of my hair, okay? So it's from the water that I put on my hair. So guys, I think that will be all about my video for today. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you all so very much, and peace out.